The innovations being developed by the BIPV Boost project are being tested in 4 demonstration sites located across Europe. Puerto Llano, Spain. The demo site building corresponds to ISFOX headquarters, located in Puerto Llano, Ciudad Real, in Spain. A 136-meter square bifacial semi-transparent glass balustrade has been installed, replacing the current solution in the south, east and west facades of the building, establishing 13.5 kilowatt peak. In addition, 70-meter square of the roof surface has been replaced by a glass walkable floor module using back contact cell technology, leading to 9.2 kilowatt peak. Both solutions have been manufactured by Onyx, using the new manufacturing equipment developed within BIPV Boost for both crystalline silicon and back contact technologies. Arechavaleta, Spain. Another demonstration site corresponds to the headquarters of Mandragon Assembly, located in Arechavaleta, Spain, with a total surface of 150 meters square, with an installed PV power of approximately 21.6 kilowatt peak. The main facade has been refurbished, adding a ventilated facade made of customized glass BIPV modules from Onyx. The module is a 4+4mm glass laminate and uses 6-inch crystalline silicon technology. The 24 units have a customized cell pattern, evoking a degraded effect, feasible due to the versatility provided by the new mass manufacturing line. The mounting system has been provided by Tulips, using the new version of their easy installation click-and-go mounting system. Mons, Belgium. The third demonstration site is a residential single-dwelling building located in Mons, Belgium, with a total surface of 140 meters squared and an installed PV power of approximately 10 kilowatts peak. The roof, originally covered with traditional metal-based roofing shingles, has been restored with a lightweight BIPV module developed by Flism and Schweizer. The module combines Flism's CIGS module technology and the improved version of Schweizer's roof mounting system. Morbegno, Italy. A residential multi-family building located in Morbegno, Italy, is another demonstration site where BIPV Boost project innovations are being tested. The top part of the facade has been renovated with a multifunctional BIPV opaque facade cladding with integrated insulation, developed by PIS, which integrates a lightweight glass module from Onyx, while keeping the same mounting system and properties of the original facade product. The total surface of the BIPV installation is approximately 60 meters squared, and the installed PV power is approximately 10 kilowatt peak.